New course. It's not going to be Akasha for this round. We're playing the Mountain View with the wife. Okay, same caddy. Hi ate. Okay, Mountain View daw tayo. Okay. Yay, first time to play Mountain View. We'll see. For today's round, it's very exciting because this is the first time I'll be playing in Mimosa, pero it's going to be Mountain View. So this is really the golf course, if I remember correctly. This is the golf course where Tiger Woods played down here in the Philippines. So plus for our content today, it's going to be something new. I'm teaming up with my wife. So what we will be doing, I'll be the one playing golf basically, pero she's going to help me with the putting. Diretso dito. So it's going to be her putting first, tapos to show me the line, tapos I'll putt second. So it's going to be a tag team namin for putting. Ready ka ba?
Hindi.
Walang practice. Walang warm up. Let's see. Good luck to us, love.
Good luck.
Okay, this is the scorecard for Mountain View Golf Course. So, total of 6,797 yards. Haba. Tapos par 72. Starting the hole, 550 yards kagad. Okay. Kaya ng wife yan. Mabilis siyang tumakbo. Okay, first time playing here in the Mountain View course of Mimosa. So the first hole is par 5. Layo kagad. 552. No warm-ups. Let's see. Okay. I think it's dog leg left. Very tight golf hole. Okay. Bahala na. We'll see. Let's just enjoy this with the wife. Ayan. She will be my putter. Siya ang unang magpupat sa team namin. Caddy ulit, shout out. Oh, picture kayo. 1, 2, 3.
Hello mga ate. Si 513 tsaka si 19. Anong pangalan? Au. Ay, A&A. Triple A. Dapat pangatlo may A. Watermelon. Turo mo sa kanya yun.
Nice shot. Tee shot sa fairway.
I don't think I stretched enough.
Huwag mo nang hatawin, relax mo lang. Yeah. No one's challenging you. Oh, mas malayo pa yung sa'yo eh. Okay, good shot. Yahoo! Terribles. Tee shot. Masyadong tumama sa puno. So for my second shot, still left with 400 yards. So I'm just trying to lay up here. Magpupulto ng konti. So hopefully aping here would be a good decision. Okay. Okay, second shot in the fairway. Yun. Lumilipad niya eh. Talo mo pa ako. Okay. Third shot, 300 yards, hitting a 3-wood. Okay.
Siya.
Puro behind ah.
Okay naman po. Diretso naman. Below 100 na lang po yun.
Okay, I am still left with 100 yards. This is to go up and down for a hopefully par. Pero grabe yung slope ng green. Kaliwa to konti ate, di ba?
Kanan.
Ah, kanan?
Ibagsak nyo na lang sa kanan, sir.
Go! Short?
Patong ko.
Short ng konti.
Nag
What a difficult bunker shot. Little room to work with. Slightly left to right. Bahala na si ate. Bahala na si Batman.
bumaba.
Went over 20 yards to the flag. A little right to left. Downhill, mabilis. Baka double bogey. Okay, first putt of the wife. Aim lang, love, sa edge of the edge of the cup. So parang when I say that, yung middle ng bola, ayan, sakto. Nakatama yung linya niyan. Lakas lang. Okay. Naman.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. Ikaw lagi sa first putt.
So show you the line. Ganun pala yan. Dapat tapik lang.
At least nakita ko. Ayan, yun yung content natin. You'll take the first putt.
Dapat pala tapik lang. Naka-record pa siya.
Kamusta ang iyong first hole ever?
I'm so sweaty.
Okay, nervous ha. Okay. Yay, but at least napapalipad mo na yung bola. Okay. Very bad start.
I got tips from
Sir Alex. Sir Alex. Okay. Hole number 2 is a par 3, 156 yards. Let's see. Okay. Nice. Par 3. Alright, Zarina Golf trying her first par 3. Pag ito nahulin man mo, pag nahulin man mo to, very good for the content. Okay lang. Ako na ate, ako na kukuha. Okay, we are putting for birdie. A little right pa. Right, yan. A little, yan, okay. Go! Go! Hindi bumali. Pero that's good enough. Good putt, good putt. Ate, left to right pala.
Left. Inside!
Hole number 3. It's playing 392 yards, par 4. Okay. Kwento ni Ate Ana, what Tiger did was, the left side is OB. There's a shortcut later, which I'll show. Wait lang. Okay, it's downhill. Okay, so it's dogleg right downhill. So this is the hazard I think that Tiger crossed. Tas pinatong daw niya. So he was putting for eagle. He made it in one shot sa par 4. That was in 1996.
Nice.
I shot.
What? Hindi ko rin nakita. Pero parang nandun lang sa may tractor. What a view. View of the golfer and the golf course. Oh, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Hindi, it's okay. Ayun, bumalik. Safe. Okay, that tawag dun members bounce. Good shot, love. Pero galing lumilipad bola mo. Good shot. You're so happy?
Beginner's luck.
Hindi. Okay, this is hole number 3. So ito yung tinawid pala ni Tiger. He crossed this hazard from there. Took the shortcut. Galing. Ang ganda din ng hole. With 105 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind. Left to right. Okay, hitting a 56-degree pitch. Alright, we are putting for birdie. So the wife will teach me or show me the line. Kaso layo pa namin. This is for birdie. Currently we are 2 over through 3 holes. Okay, let's see how many paces. Or putting for birdie, left to right. So gawin mong mga 8 paces, love. Left to right. Ay, kulang sa kaliwa. Ang laki pala nun, side hill. Pot it ulit sa right edge ulit, love. Oo. So yung gitna ng bola, you're aiming at the edge of... Oo. Come on, for par. The pressure is on. Okay. Bulaga! Good putt! Good putt! Good putt! Oh yan, may par ka na, love. Good par. Okay. Hole number 4. Currently, we are still 2 over. So par 4, or hole number 4 playing 302 yards. Okay, hole number 4. Uphill. So, if ever perfect for a fade. We'll see. Ang aim natin ate, itong bunker na to sa kaliwa, ano?
Left ng puno ko po.
Ah, okay. So,
Nice.
Okay yan. Okay yan.
Nice.
Okay yan.
hindi ko naman nakikita nagland.
Before ba?
Oo.
Okay yan.
Rip it. Oh! Ang galing na eh! Ang galing na! Good shot! Good shot! Okay, may papalit na sa akin. Luigi and Zarina Golf! Okay. Medyo, it's really uphill. I like this course also. Okay. This is my second shot. Okay, buti na lang landed short of the bunker. It's around, let me just check. We are 60 yards to the flag. I think it's a little right to left. So tirang mga 50 with my 60-degree wedge. Give the wife a birdie chance. Go!
Nice. Nice on po.
Hello, short. I think we might have a good chance for birdie. Ayan! Lavo! Makeable mo na yan. We can make birdie. Wag mo lang pipitikin, love. Siguro mga 2 inches back swing tapos 2 inches forward.
2 inches back.
A little more.
Ganyan.
Yan. Tapos follow through. Yung ituloy mo. Yan, ganyan. Okay.
I'll try.
Mahina lang. O patro mo na. Ay, matatapakan mo pala. Lakas naman sobra. Sinubrahan ko talaga.
Malapit pa rin.
Parang hindi masabi.
Pero mas maganda po yata yung kanya.
Parang hindi masabi short.
Malapit pa rin.
Ayan na. How is it so far? Are you enjoying?
Yeah, but I need to practice more.
Eh, syempre, kaya nga ako araw-araw nagpa-practice eh. Gusto ko kuha mo kagad. Mahiya naman, 3 years na ako naglalaro.
Competitive.
Playing hole number 5, par 5. Luigi and Zarina still currently 2 over. 500 yards for our par 5. I mean hole number 5. Okay. Alright, so the play is, it's slightly dog leg right. That's the pin where the players are. So aiming then sa middle of those 2 fairways. So basically aiming for the building. Aim for that building.
Ooh.
Nice
It hit
shot.
a tree.
That's normal. Yun no, diretso na. Oh, pero diretso na. Diretso na, di ba? Hindi na open sa right. Ako na yung kukuha, ate. Kita na tayo sa bola ko. Playing my second shot. I am still 240 yards. So, sabi ni ate, lay up na lang daw over these trees. These trees. Tama ba ate, dito aim natin?
Oh, sorry. Again. Kasi
Dito sa over na itong mga purple na puno na yan.
tapos, kasi yung fairway natin yan.
Pababa sa kanan. 8.
Nice.
Sumabit.
But it was good.
Akala ko hindi na in play yung puno na yun. I'm still left with 90 yards to the flag. So a little left to right. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Naku, open. Ay, ay, ay.
Nice shot.
Ay, sayang. Okay, we have 11 paces for the wife to make a birdie. It's medyo mabagal na ba kasi it's uphill. It's slightly stronger. So remember your follow through. Aim right. Tama, kanan ate to, no? I'll tell you. Go pa, right pa. Right pa. Yan, okay.
Would it go there?
Yeah, we're kasi nga yung slope is, it will turn left.
It will turn left?
Magre-right to left siya.
Ah, talaga?
Oo. Tayo. Oh, kasi we're still outside. Right pa. Wait lang. Left to right tingin mo?
Parang ganito eh.
Oh, hindi, sige kayo. Ako tingin ko kanan. Sobra yan, love. A little more right. Yan. Okay. Okay, for birdie.
Okay, let's try. Try na.
Good putt. Good putt. Okay na yan. Okay, good putt. Lakas din yata. Bin, mas malakas pa. Ayan lang, meron pa tayong trabaho.
Okay.
Ang tingin mo ate, left edge? Diretso na. Sige, kay ate ang tiwala para kay ate rin ang sisi. Ay ate, pamark. Thank you. Okay, kaliwa. O, patro mo na love. Shoot mo na yan. Ate Ana. Napipitik mo pa rin love.
I know, I need to practice putting.
Ay, na-push. Bogey. Na-push. Sayang na watermelon kami. Sayang na bogey. Okay lang. It's okay love. So, hindi, parang na-push ko ba? Baka kulang lang din. Hindi, parang naramdaman ko rin na-push ko. Okay, currently we are 3 over. Kaming tatlo, nagtutulungan na. 3 over pa. Okay, dapat next time papapaluin ko na rin si Ate Ana. Okay, we are now playing hole number 6, which I think is a par 3. Hole number 3, par 3, hole number 6, 147 yards. Okay, hole number 6 playing 126 yards. Downwind. Sir Alex will show us how to do it. 50.
Go!
Oh.
Four! Ay! Better. Okay. Good shot. Okay, another birdie chance for Team LC. Ang bigay mo ate? Right to left? Left to right. Okay. Si Ate Ana na at saka si Shasha ang mag-teammates. Mali-mali yung basa ko eh. Okay. Birdie! Come on! Do it! Halos wala. Okay mo. Makeable na yan. Parable na yan. At
Yes! Yeah!
lakas pa rin ah. Hey! O, ikaw magpatlang.
Natawa.
Ano kasi?
Natawa si
Nakabig.
Natawa tuloy si Sir Alex.
Ayan, okay. Come on, love.
Oh my God.
A little right. Yun! Ay! Leap out! Ay, sayang bogey din. Okay lang. Good try. So may kanan pa pala. Binigay ko kasi diretso eh.
That's always my problem.
Ako na yung too confident. Ay nako, that was another bogey. Sayang. Okay, currently 4 over. Very unfortunate bogey. Nagmadali. Sayang. Okay, hole number 7. Okay, par 4, 459 yards. Okay. Beautiful hole. So the green is there sa right. Okay. Good shot, sir. So aim natin ate to. Yung dulo ng cart path. Ah, yun. Okay.
Uy, left. Left agad.
Nice show.
Taas.
It's okay. Okay lang yan. Ah, napabilis. Okay lang yan. Wow! Good shot! Galing ah! Galing ah dun. A very terrible tee shot. Need to take my medicine. Might need to punch out dito. Hitting a 8 na lang ate. Punch out lang tayo. This might be a better option. Punch out hit. Mga 70 yards.
Hirap pala. Oh! And the cart path, I think.
We have this for par. Looks like it's right to left. Go! Mahina lang.
I felt that.
Labo, paano naman?
I was like, oops.
Mahina rin. Oh, wow. Eh, we need this spot para bogey lang. A little right. Medyo mabagal.
I always...
Your putts. Yan, labas lang ng konti. Yan. A little right. I-aim mo yung arrow dun sa ano. Sa bola, oo.
Okay.
Papantayin mo lang. Not too hard. Nice putt! Okay. You're the savior. Good putt, good putt. But, okay, bogey. Currently, we are 5 over. Through 8 holes. So, hole number 8 is a par 3, which is 175 yards. Okay. Yan siya. Nice shot.
Short.
It's still rolling. Okay, it stopped.
Okay, 25 pace. Palinya mo muna kay Ate Ana. Pero tingin ko kanan eh. Break!
Akala ko po sa inyo po dapat eh.
Labo, pahawak.
It's broken.
Oy!
Woo! Oh my gosh.
Okay, don't make me putt, love. Ang bigay mo ate, left to right?
Don't make you fat.
Shoot mo na.
Okay, I will try.
Yan, i-align mo lang kung saan linagay ni ate. Nice putt! Okay, pasok yan, pasok yan. Umuro mo yung flag ate. Oh, pasok. Good putt, love. Good bar. Good bogey. Malakas mo loob. Good putt, love. Okay, bogey, bogey. Okay, that was a good bogey. Okay. Hole number 9, we are currently 6 over. Okay, to 436 yards. Okay, stop pulling your drives, Luigi. Okay. Dog leg. You still have 1 hour. Dog leg, right? Okay.
Yun.
Talaga nakikita yung pag-orange.
Nice. Yun.
Una. Okay. For par. Nakakuha ulit! Nice spot! Nice spot, love. Okay. Galing ah. Nice spot, nice spot. So, number 10, par 5, 531 yards. Ang galing na mag-putt. Mali lang pala yung mga linya niya kanina.
I don't know.
Okay. Looks like a very long par 5. Dog leg right. I keep pulling my drives.
Nice. Nice. Ooh. Bunker. Ooh. Oh no. Ooh.
7 paces for our par. Okay. Come on, wifey. Don't make me putt. Pinipressure talaga yung asawa. Hindi man lang dinikit kasi yung chip eh. Kasalanan niya. Ganun nakuha ulit. Ay, hindi bumali.
Yes. Ooh.
Kulang pang kaliwa.
Oh.
May kanan o dito. Nagbintis pa yun. Perfect. Good putt. Pinipressure lang kita. Okay. We are currently 7 over. Hole number 11. 399. Galing na niya mag-putt. Hindi na talaga ako pinapag-putt. Okay. So, hole number 11. 300 yards before that water. Hopefully I can hit it straight.
Ooh, that's good.
Yun! May baby draw pa. Para mas magandang yan ang paluin natin kaysa yung akin ah. Okay, 2-man scramble na. Keep going to the bunker. 120 yards to the pin. Hitting a pitching wedge. Gusto ko sanang kunin na yung sa misis ko eh, pero naging 2-man scramble bigla. Pero eh.
Nice. Yes. It's okay.
Kulang, kumanan ka agad. Go! Go! Sayang. Mahina lang. For par again. Come on, wifey. Don't make me putt. It's okay. Ito.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, hole number 12. 465 yards. Okay lang. Okay. Dog leg right ba to, ate? Diretso lang. Okay. Finally, a fair.
Nice.
Ay, spoke yata. Parang spoke to. Ganda! Bunker din, mag-asawa talaga, ayaw maghiwalay. What's new? Still in the bunker. Ay, open. Labas mo lang.
Ay, labas na over po lang puno.
Hindi ko rin nakita. No, I mean, dala pa yung punong malaki.
Ay, yung puno po na malaki na una. Kuha ka sa gulong. 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 Gulong.
Layo ng par putt. Don't make me putt siya. Joke lang. 15 paces right to left. This is for a par. Mahina, sobra. Okay lang. Here, love.
It's going that way. Nice.
Ay, naku, nakasobra.
But it's so fast.
Kasi downhill na dun eh. Okay lang. Malakas nga. Eh, sobrang hina kasi kanina. Kaya ano.
Yay!
Hole number 13. For par 5. It's roughly...
It went to the left.
Okay lang. Pero malayo pa rin, love, eh, oh. I'm still left with 290 yards. Lapit. Okay, hitting a 3 wood. Hopefully I can draw the golf ball.
Shot. Good shot. Wow. Before, opo. Nag-drop siya dun. Good shot po.
Thank you, ate. To go up and down for a birdie, 60 yards. Left or right to, ate? Ate.
Nice.
Ay, sama na sipa. Palayo.
Kinu.
Okay. Hole 13. Finally putting birdie again. It's been a while. Birdie! Ay, ang laki ng bali ah. Laki.
Yes, yes, yes! Woo!
Naka-birdie din. Yay! Buti nakita ko yung linya mo eh. Love, unang birdie mo. Happy ka ba? Good birdie. Galing,
I don't know what
galing.
I did, but okay.
Yeah. What's a birdie? Hole 14, par 3 ba to? 212 yards. Dayo.
What's your rate?
205. Hindi. Sobra yan. 5 lang at saka o kaya 4 ate.
Bata pa siya.
Nice.
Pull lang na konti.
Uy. May magnet ba doon?
Nice shot.
Wife with layo pa. 184 yards to the flag. Ganda. Okay lang. Ang layo na kaya niyan.
Where's your face like that?
Oh. Yes. Ay! Ay!
Okay na yan. Sisaya na tayo dyan.
Oh.
Ramdam ko ngayon. Dumaan sa grooves pero hindi siya talaga bumay. Sabagay makapal yung...
Kapal yung grass.
We are putting for par. Medyo mabilis, love, ah. Okay, right to left. Bigay mo. Ganda, shoot. Malakas lang. Malakas lang. Konti.
Kulang. Kulang. Kulang.
Pinalalayan masyado. Hole number 15. 463 yards ang layo. Hole 15. Diretso lang. Water hazard.
Nice.
Sabi ko basta wag lang mag-bunker.
Kaya. On yan.
Nice.
Carry mo lang. Ah, okay na, safe for before.
Save yan. Pura taas.
At least kita.
At least it's it.
Okay. Malayo pa rin love kahit alam mo kahit behind. Malayo naman eh. Consistency lang, oo.
Nag-grounded lang. Konti pa ground.
Gigil eh. I'm still 170 yards to the flag. Hitting a Ngeben iron.
Ooh.
Hindi nag-draw. Uy. Ano sobra? Lakas, sobrang lakas. Sobrang lakas. Hole 16, I think we're currently 9 over. Okay. 151 yards. I think. Sir Alex, ito pa yung signature hole nyo? Not yet. It is. Ganda naman. Okay. This is their signature hole. So it's downwind, island green. Ganda. Okay, 150 yards with the wind. Might hit a 9.
Yes.
Go, go, go,
Yes,
go,
yes.
go, 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 go.
Ah, sayang. Mag-8-8 ka daw. Lambot ng katawan eh. Ooh. On the green.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Ang 9 ko sakali.
Buti na lang. May magaling mag-advise.
Yun! Patong! Oh, di ba sobra driver mo? Tama na! Oh. Over pa. Okay lang, okay lang. Okay, we have another opportunity for birdie. Downhill, 7 paces. It looks like it's right to left. Ay, mahina! Hindi ganun kabilis.
Bakit? Bakit mabagal? Dry yung grass.
Against the grass. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Okay, hole 17. 365 yards. Ah, may tubig. Hello. To carry that water is 230 yards. Okay. Puro bunker. Okay.
Nice.
Left with 115 yards to the flag. Hala, against the wind pala. Dala mo rin ba yung ano? Sige, okay na. Ito na lang. 56 degrees.
Shot. Looking good po. Tas.
Oh, perfect pace. Okay lang. Kulang lang sa kaliwa. Ay, oo.
Ooh. Yes. Ay! Sayang.
Good putt. Good putt, love.
It's so near eh.
No. Apo. No doubt, no doubt. Although ginib ko na po eh. Last hole. I hope the wife is enjoying. Okay, hole number 18 is a par 5. Ito yata yung kinukwento nila na Tiger went for it into dogleg left. It is par 5, 548 yards. So the hole turns, mamaya na lang. Dogleg left. The golf hole is here. The green is here.
Nice. Nice.
Ayan. Over sand trap. Over ba?
Yay!
Finally napadro. Last drive of the day. Good practice lang. Yun, gitnang gitna. Gitnang gitna. Last drive of the day. Good shot. Okay. If I can make it into 220 yards to the flag. May puno. Maybe you can try to draw it. Hitting a hybrid. Okay, if I Chipinski eagle. Pero at least a little left lang pala kami of the green. So almost pin high. So hitting a 60-degree wedge. 18 yards to the flag. Ano to, ate, kanan?
Kanan.
Right to left?
Ay, kaliwa.
Left to right?
Left or right.
Okay, left to right. Okay.
Nice shot.
Ay! Chip it. Yes.
Inside.
Ay!
Oy.
Pat mo na yung par. You can make that. Okay. This is for a par. Sir Alex, patro na ni wife po ah. Shoot mo na yan. Give range na yan eh. Shoot na yan. Sana. Ako lang naman nagbiminti sa ganyang kalapit. Yay! Watermelon.
Thank you very much.
Tapos na kayo, Sir Alex?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Sir, it was a pleasure meeting you. Sorry for delaying your round.
Okay, tama na. 1 o'clock.
Ayos lang. I hope we entertained you.
Very much.
It was a pleasure meeting you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Ate, pa-picture kami ni... Nice shot.